Hi, I'm Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney, and in today's video we're going to be talking about incapacity in the workplace. Specifically, you're a business owner, you work in HR, you have an employee who's now suffered from some kind of incapacity, unfortunately. How do you deal with it? What steps do you need to do? The first thing is you need to understand whether the incapacity is of a temporary nature or a permanent nature. In other words, how much of an impact has it on the employee in particular? What you're looking for is, if it's temporary, there is a potential for recovery. If it's permanent, it's of a permanent nature, as the name implies. Now, the responsibility is on you as the business owner, or if you work in HR for the company, is quite different. If it's permanent, you need to show that you've tried looking for alternative positions for the employee within the company. And number two, you've tried to also adapt the work circumstances to the employee by accommodating their duties, etc. If it's permanent and got a diagnosis for permanent and you fulfill those two requirements, then you may legally justify that dismissal. But make sure you have all of your evidence, the meetings, etc., all properly documented in case the matter goes to the CCMA. The second one is temporary incapacity. If there is a potential for the employee to recover from the illness or disability, then your duties and your obligations are slightly different. You need to investigate how severe it is. You need to investigate how long they're going to be away from the workplace. You need to investigate how you're going to accommodate them as they come back into the workplace. You need to investigate hiring temporary labor in their place, etc., etc. Generally, to fire somebody for a temporary incapacity is going to be difficult to justify at the CCMA unless their specific job requires them to be there. They are specialists in their field and you have to get somebody else from another province, etc., etc. The last thing to understand, the CCMA does have power to adjudicate these disputes. So if the employee takes you to the CCMA, you need to be prepared. You need to have your documents in order. You need to have your case well planned out. If you need help in your situation in terms of preparing the case or preparing the documents, you're more than welcome to contact our office by clicking on the link below. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.